Hi guys, good morning. Itong aking pagkain for today's videos. Yan, nagboil ako ng eggs, saka kiwi, lettuce, and cucumber, and raspberry, and a little bit of radish. Ayan yung lettuce na yan, yung tanim namin ni Lolo, at saka itong cucumber, naka-harvest na kami. This is my ulam for today's video. Low carbs muna tayo guys. Para sa ating kalugusugan. Gulay is like talaga. No rice at all. Try ko lang guys kung effective yung walang rice. Thank you so much for watching.